Hey everyone, and welcome to Figma Bytes. Today I'm going to take you through a simple but powerful skill that's guaranteed to speed up your workflow in Figma, mastering layer selection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several key shortcuts and techniques for quickly selecting frames, objects, and layers like a pro. So if you've ever found yourself fumbling through complex designs, trying to grab just the right layer, stick around. You're about to save yourself a ton of time and hassle. Let's jump right into Figma. Once you're inside your project, you'll likely see a frame with plenty of objects and elements packed neatly inside it, kind of like a folder with different files. Now, the way you select things in Figma isn't always obvious, especially when designs are intricate. So I'll break down exactly what you need to do and why each step is useful. First, start by clicking on the frame that you want to work with. With the frame selected, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. What's happening here is that Figma automatically selects all of the objects that live inside that frame. This is super convenient when you want to move, resize, or adjust multiple items altogether without painstakingly picking each one. It's like selecting a whole group of photos in a folder with just one action. But maybe you actually want to work with the frame itself and not its contents. Here, where a simple tweak helps, after you've selected something inside the frame, try pressing Shift plus Enter. You'll see that your selection now jumps back to the frame itself, essentially zooming out from the inner elements to control the parent frame. This back and forth can be really handy as you're navigating from granular details to the bigger structure of your layout. Now let's talk about moving through those layers efficiently. Try using the Tab key. Every time you press Tab, you're moving your selection down to the next object within the frame, almost like cycling through a playlist song by song. If you want to go the other direction, just hold Shift and tap Tab. It works in reverse, taking you up the stack of layers. This little shortcut is perfect for quickly checking or tweaking individual elements without using your mouse. Sometimes, though, you need to cut through all the layers and select just one specific object, even if it's buried beneath others. For Mac users, hold down Command and click directly on the item you want. Windows users, that's Control and click for you. This bypasses all the other layers and lets you laser focus right on your target. Picture it like reaching through a packed drawer and grabbing a specific pen without having to take everything out. Finally, let's look at the Collapse Layer function, which is a real lifesaver when your Layers panel is starting to look like a tangled mess. Select your frame, then tap Alt plus L. Instantly, everything inside that frame collapses in your Layers panel, giving you a tidy view and making it easier to navigate the rest of your design. Don't worry if you have lots of nested frames or groups. This shortcut keeps things organized so you don't get lost. So that's it. These are some of the most effective commands for mastering layer selection in Figma. Give them a try and notice how much smoother your design process feels. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and comment below if you have any questions or want more Figma tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.